Hi, I'm Dan Foster, Chief Revenue Officer with Telarus. Welcome. And I'm here today with Jeff Pedowitz, CEO of the Pedowitz Group. Welcome.
Thanks, Dan.
And so Jeff is going to give us a little bit, so give us a little sense on what partners can do to speed up their sales and marketing, their customer acquisition, or even customer retention efforts. How can they deploy AI into their daily work?
Yeah, absolutely. Well, two parts, right? One, how do they make their own internal sales and marketing engine better?
That's right.
But then second, how as partners can they start adding AI into their value-added services so they can provide more value to their clients and grow their revenue?
Perfect.
So on the first part with their sales and marketing, um, there's free platforms, of course, out there like ChatGPT or paid version Jasper,
Yeah.
where on the marketing side and even sales can start generating high-value, personalized content to reach out to their customers. They can also analyze their customers' websites and combine it with their brand voice so they can really write very, very personalized, highly engaging content that will drive conversion.
How do you know whether to use Jasper versus Chat GPT?
Well,
One's free. The other one, is it more stylized? What are we looking at here?
main difference, obviously, yes, ChatGPT free unless you go with, of course, the pro version at $20 a month, which is an incremental cost.
Yeah.
But that's really just to dip your toe in the water to experiment. But ChatGPT, it's still public.
Yeah.
So if you're going to start writing sales emails and pulling in personal data, probably not a good idea because
Gotcha.
that's going to be. So Jasper, it's secure and it's paid
So
for.
they have their own, you get your own large language model in that
That's
context.
correct.
Okay.
And the ChatGPT is a universal large language model. It can be used for lots of different things, whereas Jasper is specifically written for marketing and sales.
Yes.
It's really geared around content creation. And so if you're a salesperson, you're constantly trying to write emails, you're doing proposals and sales presentations, and marketing's coming up with new campaign copy. This platform was designed specifically for that, and then all your data will be secure. Now, the second part is how, as a partner, what new services should I be adding in the year or two ahead? Because I'm sure that partners, their clients are asking them, hey, how do you add AI in? So I would, same thing, go down the list of all the services they do today, where if they added AI in, what would that look like?
Right.
So it could be around new AI assessments. It could be adding in new AI integrations. It could be using AI to connect both on-prem with cloud. There could be a lot of different unique value-added opportunities for these partners over the next year.
Great. Well, that's great advice. And I think the partner community will appreciate that. So thanks again. Jeff, good talking to you.
You too, Dan. Thank you.
Okay.